supply chain management system, collaborative planning, forecasting, and very important is so in the supply chain we always talk about this. Sorry, yeah, replenishment. Replenishment is ILP, replenishment. I can see poppy, not so poppy, I drive poppy for you. We are out must look at dictionary lah. Okay, out. Okay. So your leader out want to score distinction, but come so late now. How to gain distinction? What do your friend
No.
What happened Shall we stop for him? Okay, so what is this? What do you think this is? That's why I told you when you learn supply chain, a lot of things you didn't learn. These are main point one. If you learn supply chain, you don't understand this, then not supply chain. Michael Ong supposed to teach you. It's also logistic. So what is this? Collaborative planning, forecasting. That means yesterday we talked about PSI, right? You know what PSI or not? Or ISP? Yesterday, the day we talked about, right? Wait, the day we talked about PSI about what? Yeah. Okay, So now this one involve a little bit of customer. Okay. This one means customer come in. Replenishment. You must know about customer lead time. Okay. So you must forecast. So in a Japanese company, customer is not really a king in inventory. Okay. The one who have an inventory system is actually logistic. Logistic is very strong in a Japanese company. So if the customer, normally customer is a problem. Customer will order 120 items. Right. Say customer will order 20 items. Just give you an example. Say you have in your warehouse you have this. Right, and maybe your another one is here. You stack up. This one 50 item. That's why you have to have this meeting to make sure you don't waste what we call a transport waste, and you don't waste your time and effort. How do you handle this here? It's not 50, It's not 50. You see, if customer order 120, if you give 120, you're going to have a lot of this problem. So instead of so frightened, supply him everything, you have to call for this meeting. Involve not really the customer, involve the customer demand, right? And then you decide how to handle his situation. So when this is involved, we will call the situation of CPFR. So how do you use CPFR? How do you use CPFRs to control this demand? See, this is important, right? Customer 120. Should you give customer 120? See, this one means you should not give customer. Why you should not give customer 120?
Because you have 50-50.
Yeah, very smart. You have to take 50 minus 30, and then give 20. You have to stack this one 30. And when you stack this one as 30, then your identification got problem already. Right. And you have a problem with the visual system, visual management system already. Right? Because we're talking of visual management system, we want everything to be the same. So now you cannot already. So you have to stop this order. And how you stop this order, marketing should have their way, right? They can give customer incentive not to order this. Not to order a break item of 20. This is called the bug break. Not the break bug. Right? Or the bug you break, bug don't break. You see? Okay? So the question is that you must not break this bug. When you break this bug, you have a problem. So this is a cheap and dirty way. And that is why marketing has to cooperate now with the logistic. And the boss must support this. Of course, customer have no problem. And customer don't know that he have to order 150 or 100. Right? The nearest you can order is 100 or 150. Customer don't know. Right? Customers say 120 is a lucky number. 50 no good. So he like to order 120. Every time you order 120, you're going to have a problem. So you must tell them not to order 100. So this is a way you manage your demand. Using the way, the smart way. Okay? Alright. So this is the way you should have some concept about the PSI and also some concept about the CPFR. Okay, so always talk about CPFR. CPFR, everybody must agree. Right? Everybody must think about total cost. So now you learn today, right, that logistic, not only supply, you must also think about the order management. And if everybody think the way that you think, everybody know about this, the whole country will make a lot of money. This is a concept. And Japanese are very good for this. This is a concept. Okay, most of the book don't teach you how to do this. This is this way of doing things. But this one makes sense. Okay? So this is a concept of not breaking the buck. This is the concept of replenishment, the concept of planning, the concept of forecasting, all up together. And all this concept is what we call a collaborative concept. Very good, Very good. So far, any question or not? Oh, we're just